After a big setback to travels to Australia due to COVID-19, the Walthalls have finally made their way from the X hangar. They have set out for at least a 3-month trip, living the overlander lifestyle to its fullest. Montana is first. Then, as areas open up to travel, they hope to explore beyond the Big Sky State. X Overland Solo Series is presented by General Tire and the Grabber X3, the official tire of the Walthall Family Adventure. Available at TireRack.com. And in association with Patriot Campers and P-Course Systems. Their first area to explore is near Red Lodge, Montana, an awesome little ski town just a few hours from the X hangar.
Just fueled up in Red Lodge, got a few more gallons of water and diesel, which the diesel heater didn't use much, so we didn't have to top it off too much. But we got a tip at the gas station to check out Matitsi Trail just outside of Red Lodge. That's a really cool area, and we could camp at the top. So we are checking it out. We're taking the tip and going for it. Not sure what to expect, but we will see. Give us something good.
Oh, that's nice.
With a little more fuel and water on board, it's time to follow a local's suggestion.
Roadblock here. Montana traffic jam. So we could
Someone has done that.
pull up right there. It looks like someone has.
Beautiful.
The Walthalls are getting their feet under them. It's a big chore to film, plan travel, be parents, cook, and tell compelling stories. It's a lot, but they are up to the task.
Okay, the truck is level now.
Just gotta work on the trailer.
How are we gonna level this?
Pull the e-brake on here, pop it off
Okay.
onto the wheel, and then we use the airbags in the Patriot camper to level it. We can get there. Turn on the red arc. Turn on airbags. And drop pressure out of the uphill side. And we can raise pressure in the downhill side.
Whoop, stop.
Too much?
Perfect.
Here's our campsite for the night. We're exploring these aspen trees. This is a magical forest. It smells good in here. It smells so fresh. What do we got going on here?
So we're gonna toast up some bread rolls. We're gonna do barbecue chicken with brown rice and a sweet kale salad tonight.
We outfitted the X1H with a larger inverter so that the Walthalls could use a pressure cooker, allowing for more diverse meals while on the road.
I think it worked. It definitely pressurized. The timer counted down. So I'm just waiting for the pressure to finish up or to finish releasing. And we're gonna open it and see. It just feels like cheating, but it's awesome. Oh, kind of worked. Dad is bringing dinner.
Okay, this is just a little too picturesque.
Stella picked the spot. I think she did pretty good.
Yeah.
Nice work, honey. Rice and Parmesan. Ooh. Yeah.
All right, so we are ready for bed. We got the tent set up, and it is definitely bear country here. So we are making sure that we got a tight camp. We're putting away all the food scraps, making sure we didn't dump anything in the grass or around, making sure it's scent free so that we can minimize the chance of having bears, harmful bears in camp. So always good to take an extra step, especially with kids. And I'm also feeling a lot better about the kids being up above the truck out of harm's way. I'm really thankful to be not sleeping on the ground right now. So we'll see you in the morning. Hope it goes well. So, we didn't get eaten by bears last night. No bears, but we did get eaten by mosquitoes. Somehow, we let some mosquitoes in our tent and they're just buzzing around our faces all night. So, we didn't sleep very well. The kids slept great, but we are definitely making the coffee a little bit stronger this morning. I feel like, as a father, it's my duty to make blueberry pancakes. Tried to separate them out so that we could plop them in individually, but due to the rocky road, they kind of mix together a little bit, so we'll have to get creative. But this is a great way to store the eggs so that they don't crack while you're driving.
Some blueberry pancakes and some extra strong coffee are just what this day is calling for.
Mm-hmm.
Thank
Even
you.
Have a whisk. Perfectly cooked. You heard it here first.
If you're looking at traveling with kids, one of the best things you can do is put them to work in camp. Let them cook, do the dishes, etc. You'll be amazed at how they take to it. They'll have an ownership in it, making everyone a happy camper.
All right, we stink, so it's time to shower. We've got a diesel water heater on board by Webasto, and Patriot Campers has it all customized in here. Look at this, shower head, everything. So it's been heating up, it's good to go. We can turn on the water supply and then flip it on.
What?
Hot water.
Oh my gosh.
And we'll get everyone washed up, and yeah, life on the road, you got to stay up on these things, otherwise ain't nobody happy. Okay, so I'm gonna run this. It's a nice little
nice
spot, something like that, and then you just turn on the water.
Woo!
Turn it off.
Brian's re-leveling, making it all even again so we can hit the road. We ready?
We're ready.
Let's go.
All right, got the water key. A lot of places will lock up their water on the outside so that they don't get abused. But just gotta go ask. Yep, all of us showered this morning, so we're topping it back up. And we're gonna head into the mountains.
Are we gonna hit Snowline on the next trail?
Yeah, so we're gonna go in pursuit of the snow line here.
Oh boy.
A few people said that the trail that we're looking at doing is still a little snowy, and you could only get through about half of it about 3 weeks ago. So we're wanting to go test it out, see how far we can get, and if we're one of the first people that clear the trail, we'll be treated to probably a pretty secluded spot up on top of Hellroaring Plateau. So hopefully we get there, but we'll see. We've got all the equipment to...
We're ready for the snow.
That's right. Thinking positive thoughts. Topped up on gas, water, ready to go. Let's see how far we get. It's supposed to be a really narrow trail. Hopefully we've timed it where we missed the traffic going the opposite direction. But it's always a chance where we have to back up a ways, which is always challenging with a trailer. But we shall see.
It's June in Montana, and this is one of the best times to be here. High mountains, big forests, and no one for miles.
Alright, so our mission is to head to the top of that.
Yes.
There's a snow patch. We may be able to get across that, but the rest is looking really good.
It's looking like these rocks are going to be nipping at us the whole way, so I'm going to take the opportunity to save us a little bit of jarring. Alright, we're all set.
How's it feel now that you've aired down?
It's much nicer, so much smoother. Definitely still have bumps, but it helps a ton.
made it up several miles, but we have all of the hairpin turns left. We have one snow patch to go, but we'll see. We're getting pretty high. We're almost, oh man, we're at 9,600 feet. We're getting close.
Really close. Okay, let's check it out here.
You know what?
What?
I wonder if we can swing wide and go over this part.
That is such a tight corner.
How about I take the camera and you can drive.
All right.
You can see where we started. The campground is right about down there. We've been weaving our way up this cliff face. You think Daddy can make this hairpin? Maybe. What a beast of a truck. Oh my gosh.
We're getting close to the top. Excited to see where we're gonna camp. And we reached the tree line. Nothing left. I think this is a wilderness boundary. Yep, no motor vehicles, wilderness boundary.
Thanks for taking us to camp, buddy.
Let's scope it out. Let's go straight. Yeah, I think if we pull straight in, we can level that. All right, we're gonna try to make do with this hill. Pile up a bunch of rocks to get that tire.
Stop! You're there!
Look at that. That's pretty darn good. Look at that tight camp setup.
The Walthalls are just getting started. There is so much to learn as they sharpen their skills and find the rhythm of life on the road. The next few months are going to be some they never forget. Join us next time on the Walthalls' Great Family Adventure.